What's up, App Grind Nation? Would you like to make money simply by watching videos? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how, so stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by watching videos. And the way you're going to do this is with apps. So there's two apps I'm going to show you on my computer that you can use on a daily basis to make money just by watching videos. So before I jump over here to my computer, for everybody that's new to my channel, welcome. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I bring videos like this on a weekly basis that will help you make money with apps, make money on YouTube, and make money on the internet. Also, watch this video to the very end, because I have a special offer that I'm giving away. So please watch this video to the very end so you can get that free special offer. Without further ado, let me go over here and hop over on my computer and show you these two apps you can start using right now. All right, I'm online, and here's the first app. It's called App Trailers, and it's available on iPhone and Android. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be watching app trailers, and you earn reward points for doing that. And this is how it works. You watch trailers of hot apps, then you collect reward points, and then you redeem your points for gift cards. And once you get a gift card, you can cash that in for money through PayPal. So all you're going to be doing is previewing apps. It's like a 30-second trailer. And once you do that, you collect your points. Once you collect a certain amount of points, then you redeem those points for gift cards, or you can just go ahead and get your cash through PayPal. So if you want to learn more about this, just go to apptrailers.com. The app is called Perk TV. You go to perk.tv to check out this app. And then this app is similar to App Trailers, but it has more categories you can check out and check out videos for. Okay, like you have news and politics, you have Netflix trailers, and here's some popular videos. Entertainment, what went wrong, app trailers, hilarious and random videos, rapid reviews, celebrity news, crowdfunding. They even have the Kardashians here. Watch football, science and tech, and exclusive movie clips. So they have a lot here to offer here that you can check out. And as you can see here, it has rewards. And the rewards work similar. The rewards work similar to app trailers. So you get paid through gift cards and also cash through PayPal. So if you want to learn more about this, go to Perk TV, and this app is available on Android and iPhone. So you just learned about the two apps you can download right now and start making money just by watching videos. So go ahead and download those two apps from the App Store and the Google Play Store and start making money right away just by watching these videos. So thank you for watching this video to the very end. As promised, I'm going to tell you about the special free offer that I got to give away. But before I tell you about that, let me ask you this. Do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience creating apps, I can show you how. With this free ebook, I can show you how you can make apps without any coding. It shows you step by step how you can get it done very quickly and very cost effective. So go ahead and download that free ebook in the description below and start creating your app now. Now, if you want this in an online course, I also have that. It's in the description below, but it costs a little money, just $8.99, and it's on sale just for a limited time. So go ahead and get that online course right now. It's under the same name, How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding online course. So go ahead and download that right now for $8.99 before it goes up in price. That's all I have for today. Before I leave, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment below, share this video with friends and family, and don't forget to hit that notification bell because I will be dropping more videos like this on a weekly and maybe a daily basis. So that's all I have for today. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.